Hey YouTube, I'm back with Cat Eye. So I'm using my Elizabeth Arden palette. The shade that I'm using is Heathered Plums Contour if I'm not wrong. And I'm using my Elizabeth blending brush to just add a little bit at the end of my eyes to just make, define my eyes a little bit and buff it in. And I always love to use like a clean blending brush afterwards to buff it in better, which I'm doing now. And then I'm using the same palette, Golden Orchid. I do love to use my fingers for lighter shades. I feel like it gives you more pigment when you do that. And then this is my first time ever using Bobbi Brown Longwear Gel Eyeliner in shade Black Scotch. I've never used Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner or gel eyeliner for any matter. I bought the smaller one from Sephora to try it out because I heard good reviews. So I wanted to see how it is. I would say if I wanted to choose now for a cat eye, I wouldn't use that one. I would go for like a Stila liquid eyeliner or my powders and my Elizabeth drop. But I think because it's creamy and it smudges, so I think if I'm doing like a smudged kind of eyeliner, that is actually perfect. So I would definitely use that for it. But for more defined kind of eyeliner, it's pretty hard to manage that, and also, I don't know, not easy. And it doesn't give you like that black that you want. It's more for like a smudging kind of eyeliner. And I'm using the same one for under eye. And for mascara, I'm using Pixi by Petra Large Lash Mascara, which I do personally love this brush. Just see how good it is. It gives you really nice volume, and then at the same time it doesn't get clumpy or anything, and the volume that it gives you, it really stays for a long time, which I love. And then for lower lashes, it doesn't get clumpy, it doesn't get like, it stays still neat. The only down part of this is it's not waterproof, which not everyone uses waterproof, but the good thing is Pixi is more natural brand, so I do love that about it. And their products are awesome, especially their makeup. Their pigment is amazing for a natural brand, which I do personally love it. This is my favorite mascara. For lipstick, I'm using Ricco by Stila. This is a long Stay All Day liquid lipstick, like longwear lipstick. The thing is, Stila lipsticks are amazing. They stay really long time. The shades are perfect. What I found though, for so many people, including myself, if I'm not using anything underneath, it's gonna, after some time, it gets dry on my lips, and it might like start breaking, which I don't like. So if you're using any kind of primer underneath, that makes it perfect to stay longer, stay hydrated. I am using my new Strada Anti-Wrinkle Lip Enhancer underneath, and I do love this product. It enhances your lips, but most importantly, keeps it hydrated and keeps it really nice. And then it keeps my lipstick longer as well. It's a little bit tricky to work with the tip of this lipstick, but if you find the way to work with it, it's actually not that hard. It's just you finding the way how to apply it. More like, I would say, a lip liner, especially on the top. Love that shade. This is my favorite color. Brownish red. Ta-da! This is the ending look. Leave me comments, tell me how do you like it and what do you want next. Love you!